just a short video today. I'll put some pictures up that the customer sent me about a week ago, so you can see how overly, or how badly overgrown it was. I cleaned this pond out, I think we've tried to work out at least 6 years ago, and as I arrived I realised, when I looked at the pictures I didn't realise it was the same pond that I'd done years ago, but when I arrived at the property last week, obviously recognised it instantly, and the customer, and they knew me. The idea was to do a sympathetic restoration, but it's turned out to be more of a brutal hoiking this stuff out. We've trimmed a few of these plants back to open these waterfalls up. They are in desperate need of re-waterproofing, but for reasons, namely the customer not aiming to live here for more than another couple of years, they've decided, or we've decided, that just turning these into planters would be a suitable idea. Although with me being a fiberglass specialist by trade, these could have been fiberglassed. Not an issue I'm going to push. Customers' rules, customers' pond, customers' rules. So the idea now, what we've done, all the ivy was growing right down into the water, so we've cut that back with my strimmer. We've cut a load of this iris down with the strimmer, and all the grass that was growing in there with the strimmer, and now we're just getting through to the thick fibrous roots that you can see Lucy cutting through. Once we've done a major thinning out, we'll have a really good tidy up of the job, the inside of the pond. This corner, this can stay pretty much as it is. As with any job, you don't want to completely sterilise it, you want to leave something of value behind that looks nice, and that iris in that corner breaks that corner up nicely. Yeah, another 3 hours in here. It's just, with a job like this, it's just a physically physically demanding work to cut through it, because just give a demonstration please, Lucy, of cutting through that fibrous root ball. Just go off that corner there. So you see we've got some water lilies in there, we're going to save some of them. Just a question of nibble off a bit at a time. Like so. Nibble a bit off at a time, put it there to let it drain out, and then barrow it off to a suitable place on the property. We'll soon have it done.